This is even more serious than I expected. You see, the enemy is crafty and has the advantage. Temporarily, of course. And we do not at this time have the firepower to evac said gear to a safe location behind our lines to reconnoiter. We need your help, soldier. Can I count on you?
Name's Snuckles. That's right, Special Agent Snuckles. Come on, the elevator into the troll warehouse is right this way. Bet you don't recognize me, do ya? That's because I'm a master of disguise now. You once saved us all when a tornado ripped through our village. That's when I decided to join the Mabu Defense Force and become a real-life secret agent. And this is my first mission. Can you believe it? Come on, let's go get that golden gear.
Skylanders of the life element are stronger in the zone.
Hey, wait for me.
Chompies are one of the most common monsters in Skylands, but fortunately they're not very smart. In fact, trolls sometimes play fetch with Chompies using lit dynamite. They call this game Boom. But then trolls call all their games Boom.
I think the warehouse is this way. Courage, Snuckles, courage. There, that's the troll warehouse. Those stinky bridge dwellers keep all the junk they've stolen in there. I can see it, the golden gear. Go get it. I mean, let's go get it. That's right. Owie, owie, stingy, wow, that hurt. I should just go home. No, wait, I need to fight. Oh, those tricky trolls put in a minefield. But you know, I bet they never remember where they put all those mines. They've got to have a map showing the way through it, and we've got to find it.
You're fast, but not fast enough.
Skylanders of the tech element are stronger in this zone. You need a fire skylight to unlock this gate.
Great work! Now we'll be able to make our way through the minefield. After you, you know, since you already have the map.
The golden gear, plucked from the machinery of the universe, the intricate clockwork of this world.
My gear! Do you see that? They've got my gear! My beautiful golden gear!
Next, they'll be after your goo.
Right, my goo! First it was my golden gear. Now they're after my glowing green goo. That tears it. No more Mr. Nice Guy.
I wouldn't exactly call you...
Call out my troll army. Launch a full-scale attack. This means war.
An impressive gear. I wouldn't mind upgrading my own equipment with one of those. What kind of grease does this thing take?
The rarest kind. Green primordial goo. But when the core was destroyed, all the green goo drained out. And I haven't got a clue where to find more.
You know, recently the Troll military has taken a massive leap forward in terms of its technological capability. I'll bet this green goo business is behind it all.
Oh no, this is terrible. If the trolls have discovered the secrets of the goo, their forces will be virtually unstoppable.
Our soldiers have been struggling to breach their main factory. If this goo is what you say it is, then failure is not an option. Skylander, we need your help. Can we count on you to shut down their factories and recover the goo?